In this problem, we take a look at a bank account that has to have a minimum of $100. Now, the account currently has 134, but we need to write a check for gas. So we want to write an inequality to solve for the amount of gas to spend on gas, but then we want to solve that inequality. So let's say that X is the amount to spend on gas. So we know that that's going to have to be debited or subtracted from our account. So if we have 134 in our account, and we subtract some amount for gas, we'll call that X, our account still has to have a minimum of $100. So let's say that that's greater than or equal to, and it has to be $100. Now we need to figure out how much X has to be. It's a little tricky with the minus here, but I want you to rewrite this as negative X plus 134. It's a little we turn it around because it makes the calculations a little easier because we need to move this 134 away from the x. Now to do that, we subtract 134 from both sides. That leaves me with negative x is greater than or equal to, and then 100 minus 134 gives me negative 34. Now, I don't want negative x, I want just x. So to do that, I'm going to multiply both sides by a negative 1. And that just leaves me with x over here, and that leaves me with 34 over here. But we have to be very careful about this inequality. When we multiply by that negative 1, we have to flip this inequality. That means I should spend $34 or less on the gas to keep the minimum requirements for the account.